Hey folks, it's Susan Edwards at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway in historic downtown Paducah. What are you looking at? Well, you are looking at a little plastic dish that I have got some salt in. And it's just plain salt, but I wanted to talk to you about how negativity rewires our brain and what you can do about it. Let's say this is your brain, and we all know that as we think, speak, and feel about things, our brain sends little fires off little signals and tells us what's going on. So let's pretend that this is an oasis over here. And that's the oasis that you always go to. And it's not a very good oasis. It's not very big. And all of the animals in the safari, they all hang out there, and let's just say they do a lot of stuff in that water. So it's not a primo place, but that's the only place that you know. And it's pretty close, so you always make a trip to this oasis. So this is your brain, basically. And every time you think a particular thought or you say a particular thing, like, I don't have any money, or nobody loves me, everybody hates me, think I'll eat worms. Every time you do that, every time you go to that oasis, you make a little deeper trench in your brain. So pretty soon you've got this very deep and actually physical rewiring that's going on in your brain. So you all know people that they're just always negative about everything. Well, it's not always their fault because they've got some pretty deep trenches. So what do you do about it? So let's just say that there's a magnificent oasis over here. It's huge, it's pristine, and it's really wonderful. But you're not sure it's there, but you've heard lots of really good rumors. But this is a different way than you're usually going. And instead of saying, I don't have any money, for example, you start thinking, well, I'd really like to manifest more money. So maybe you're using the affirmation, I have all the money I can possibly want. Well, that feels a little weird, okay? And so you kind of like, whoa, do I really have? I don't have any money. I know I don't have any money. Let's go back this way. But if you stay with the affirmation, I have all the money I could possibly desire. This is a rich and abundant universe, and I am deserving of all of the money that I could possibly want or need. And you just keep saying that, and you feel that. You're rich. This is a rich and abundant universe. I have all the money that I can possibly need. I am well rewarded for my work. I am considered an expert in my field. And so you just keep digging that trench to this new oasis. Pretty soon what happens is that this starts to level out, and in fact you start to forget where it is, and that's just kind of overdone. And now your main thing is, woo, yeah. So how do you rewire your brain? You say things, you think things, and you feel things differently, and you refire and you rewire. So I hope this little demonstration helps you understand the power of affirmations, because everything that comes out of your mouth is an affirmation. Make it powerful and positive.